Is there such a thing as a perfect pitch deck? Well, we believe there is. You see, the more slides that you need, the less compelling your idea. When developing investor decks, we swear by the Kawasaki Method. This is a pitch deck that is anywhere between 10 and 15 pages long, and it lasts no more than 20 minutes. So you may say, there's no way I can get my pitch into 15 slides. And we would argue, yes, there is. This approach allows the audience basically to get to the absolute essentials, and it's designed to generate enough interest to secure a second meeting. That's what you want. If you don't get the money on the table, you want a second meeting. It's a very succinct and robust document, and it covers essentials such as the opportunity, the value proposition, the model, the business model, the go-to market plan, the competitive analysis, the financial projections, and of course, key metrics. This is a brand exercise. It's also an exercise of extreme editing, knowing what to keep in, knowing what to cut out. So if you're in a position where a big pitch is on the line and you can't afford to screw it up, you might need our perfect investor deck. And all you need to do is reach out to me to start the conversation.